Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the Queen of Hearts on Dress to Impress. This is the Tim Burton inspired look. So everything is free except for the cape. You don't have to, it isn't necessary. And I did use custom makeup, but you can use any makeup that you would like to use. For the first one, I am going to just color this black and red actually. And then I'm just going to add these sleeves and I'm going to color them in black. I'm also going to get this shirt, this corset top, and I'm going to color it with this card's pattern, red, the card pattern again, and then I'm coloring the rest red. And then after that, I'm going to get this color in codes. So get that, if I can just find it. And then I'm going to color this pattern, and then that same card pattern, and then I'm going to color this black and red like that, and then I'm going to color the rest in a red. Then for the skirt, I am going to use this one, only skirt in this pattern, and then black at the end. And then I'm going to get this, and I'm just going to use the heart pattern. You can also use the cards pattern, and I'm going to get the Barat's boot in red, like that. And then this is for the non-VIP version. But if you want to add the cape, you can just add this, and then hold on, let me just go here first. I think I might add that red. Okay, I might add the cape, and then I'm going to just color the rest in white, and then the fifth toggle in black. That is how you can create the Queen of Hearts on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.